Rule number 6. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the simple future tense within the reported part is changed into the present conditional. Look at the example. She said, I'll attend the meeting tomorrow. She said, I'll attend the meeting tomorrow. She said that she would attend the meeting the next day. Look at this here. Simple future tense. We have already learned the form of the verb in simple future. Will or shall plus base form of the verb. So when you change such sentences from direct to indirect, instead of will or shall, we use would or should. Look at this here. I'll attend. She said, I'll attend the meeting tomorrow. She said that she would attend the meeting the next day. Remember that change as well. Tomorrow change to the next day. So we should learn that as well. When you change a simple future tense, we have to use should or would instead of will or shall. Okay, this is very easy. So she said, I'll attend the meeting tomorrow. She said that she would attend the meeting the next day. Okay. Next, rule number 7. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the future continuous tense within the reported part is changed into conditional continuous. Again, Johnny said, I'll be finalizing the program tomorrow. Johnny said that he would be finalizing the program the next day. Here also, instead of will or shall, we use would or should. Then again the ing form. Okay, future continuous, we have already learned the form of the verb, will or shall plus be plus ing. When you change it from direct to indirect, we use instead of will, we use would, and if it is shall, we use should plus be plus ing. So you have to remember all these rules that will help you to change from direct to indirect. Hope these are clear. Now, rule number 8. The following models in direct speech are changed in reported speech as shown below. Look at the example. Verb, can, could, may, might, must, had to, or would have to. So if you find these verbs in the quoted sentence, it will change like this. Can changes to could, may changes to might, and must, had to, or would have to. Okay, look at the example. Vinaya said, I must go tomorrow. Vinaya said that she had to go the next day. For example, another example. Raju said he can drive a car. Raju said that he could drive a car. Fine. Now look at the rule number 9. The following models in direct speech remain the same when changed to reported speech. Would, could, might, should, and ought to. If all these verbs appear in the quoted sentence, when you change from direct to indirect, the verb will remain the same. Vidya said that she should get the report by the next day. Look at the change. Vidya said that I should get the report by tomorrow. This is the direct speech. Vidya said I should get the report by tomorrow. Vidya said that she should get the report by the next day. So these verbs will remain the same. Now rule number 10. While converting interrogative sentences into direct speech, the reporting verbs like said and said to are changed to asked, inquired, or demanded. So if it is interrogative sentence, interrogative means questions. Okay. He said to me, where are you going? He said to me, where are you going? Look at the transformation here. He asked where I was going. You have to remember other important points as well. Though it's not mentioned here in the sentence, you have to understand that when you change a question form from direct to indirect, you have to make it into the form of a sentence. the question form will change into sentence pattern. Look at this. Where are you going? He said to me. He asked me where I was going. Here, where are you going? Where I was going. Here you don't have a question then when you change from direct to indirect. So tense also changed. Present continuous changed to past continuous. Look at this. Where I was going. What are you doing? The teacher asked, or the teacher said. The teacher asked what I was doing. Okay, fine. If the spoken rule number 11, if the spoken sentence begins with an auxiliary verb, the joining word should be if or whether. Auxiliary verb, that means yes or no questions. Instead of that, we use if or whether. Look at the example. Roy asked me, will you attend the program? Roy asked me whether I would attend the program. Here also question form changes to sentence pattern. Roy asked me whether I would attend the program. Okay. When you change a yes or no question from direct to indirect, instead of that we use if or whether. Okay. And the question pattern changes to sentence pattern. Now rule number 12, if the spoken sentence begins with a WH word, the word itself acts as the joining verb. Here look at the example. He said to me, what is your name? He inquired what my name was. You might have noticed this when in the example number 10. Here there is no that. Instead of that, the question word acts as the joining word. He inquired what my name was. You have a task here, task 1. Change this question to reported speech. Try to do this task and just check whether you are able to follow these examples. Okay, thank you very much. We will continue with this chapter. I'll stop here. In the next class, we'll look at other rules as well. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can contact me. Thank you so much.